The Ottawa Food Bank is one of the first in the province to receive shipments of ground pork as part of a nationwide reduction of the pig herd. In all, 120 Ontario food banks will benefit from this program, a decision made some months ago that the pig herd needs to be reduced by 10% in an effort to drive up the price of pork and help farmers who are currently losing money on every pig they send to market. Peter Tilley is the Executive Director of the Ottawa Food Bank, and he is at the food bank. Thanks for joining us, Peter.
Well, thank you for having me on, Paul.
How important is the shipment of pork? What does it mean to the food bank?
Well, this is huge for us, Paul, because often you've just run a story previously on the nutritional aspect of things that isn't making it to the tables of families, to children. Instead, we've got a very nutritional item like pork, something that a food bank normally wouldn't purchase or have available to it, that we're going to have 272 cases here in Ottawa alone coming in today and tomorrow that are going to get out into the community over the next few weeks.
Now, the annual Food Aid Day helps you to buy beef, and that's another good source of protein for many people. How important is that to have that as an option for those who use your service?
Well, this is really an added bonus. In the summer months, things get traditionally tight for food banks, so even our freezer is very low on the beef that we have in from the Food Aid program. That will extend throughout the year as we get ground beef from local farmers. So here's another added twist, that now we're getting pork to get out onto the tables of families in the Ottawa area, impoverished families and families, again, who suffer generally from a very poor diet and now have an opportunity to add something as nutritional as pork. So our thanks to the federal government and the pork industry for taking the lead on this and putting to good use what would otherwise be a tough situation.
Mm-hmm. And this program is not just a one-shot deal here. It is supposed to continue over a couple of years as the herd is reduced, and that's good news for farmers.
Absolutely good news for farmers, and at the food bank we're often beneficiaries of other people's market situations beyond our control, and in this case we're benefiting from the pork industry and the federal government and the Ontario Ministry of Agriculture coming forward to partner to do something good for the community that we provide food to.
Okay, Peter Tilley, Executive Director of the Ottawa Food Bank, thanks very much for your time.
Thanks, Paul.